6 rules to start your career in making money. 1. Identify a valuable skill. Identify a skill or set of skills that are in demand in the market. This can be something that you're already good at, or something that you can learn and develop over time. Before we move further, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon for all notifications. 2. Offer value to others. Once you have identified your skill, find ways to offer value to others. This could be through providing a product or service that solves a problem or meets a need that people have. 3. Build a network. Build a network of contacts and relationships within your industry or market. Attend industry events, participate in online forums, and connect with others who can help you grow your business or career. 4. Develop a strong work ethic. Develop a strong work ethic and be willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed. This may mean working long hours, learning new skills, or taking on challenging projects. 5. Stay focused and disciplined. Stay focused on your goals and disciplined in your approach. Avoid distractions and stay committed to your vision. 6. Continuously learn and improve. Continuously learn and improve your skills and knowledge. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices, and be open to feedback and constructive criticism. This will help you stay competitive and continue to grow and earn more.